Hey everyone, in this video today, I'm in Terminal E in DFW, arriving, and I'm going to show you how to get to the public transport. So first, we need to get to Skylink, and we have to go to Terminal B. So Skylink connection is free to take. Anyone can take it to any other terminal, and it looks like this. It's essentially a train that loops around all the terminals. I'm taking the one to B and D gates. The time it takes to ride a Skylink is about 10 to 13 minutes from E to B. You want to exit at the stop that says B20 to 49 and rail to Fort Worth. So I made a mistake because I exited gates B1 through 8 rather than B49. If you exit towards B49, you'll see these ground transportation signs and exit just like what you see here. And then you just follow the signs that say rail to Fort Worth. To get to the public transport, you want to go to the lower level. So I'm in the elevator going down to lower level. And then you follow the signs all the way to rail to Fort Worth. Here's a map to give you an idea. We're looking for bus to TRE, rail to Fort Worth around B48, B49. That's the TRE link. That's the bus that you want to take if you want to go to Centerport. If you walk all the way down to B48, you'll see the TRE bus stop on that lower level. This is where the bus stops. If you keep following those signs, you will get onto TexRail, which takes you to Dallas and Fort Worth. Texas public transport tickets can be purchased on GoPass. For this particular flow, I'm buying a ticket that is local, so I can take the TRE link to Centerport. So here you just select adult, you can add to cart, you can pay with a credit card or Apple Pay, and then wait until the bus comes to slide to activate. In the meantime, we can see all the times the bus comes. Next one is 6:28 p.m. Here are all of the different options, and you can see this for pretty much any route. So you can go from my location, aka Terminal B, to other parts of Dallas and Fort Worth, and it'll tell you. The bus did get delayed without notice. It now shows 6:33. And here it is. It did come at around 6:33, 6:34, was able to hop on. So now that I'm on the bus, there is free Wi-Fi, and I do tap on my ticket and slide to activate. It does come with a 2-hour countdown. This bus ride took 16 minutes, and in my time waiting, I was able to get onto the Arlington transportation app to be able to get to a different destination. Using this, I was able to get picked up from Centerport TRE and then go straight to my destination. You can also use the Grand Prairie app as well if you're trying to go to Grand Prairie. The TRE from Centerport will take you to Dallas in 33 minutes. The TRE will take you also to Fort Worth in 33 minutes. If you were to take it straight from the airport, it takes about 1 hour. And if you were to take it straight from the airport to Fort Worth, that's about 49 minutes. If you take public transport, it's less than $10 to Dallas versus $33 on an Uber. And the same for going to Fort Worth. It's less than $10 to get to Fort Worth from the airport versus about $40 if you were to take an Uber.